How to create a Google account. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how I teach beginners how to go about the daily social media apps, how to use them. So guys, if you're new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, like and share. So let's jump right in. Creating a Google account is good, and creating a good password is also recommended. Play Store, open Play Store or Apple Store. Come to this icon and search Google. Come to this icon and search Google. Click on open. Then you come to the top right corner. Click on your profile picture there. Then you come to this drop down here. Follow the chroma key to this drop down and you will see create an account. Then you click on continue. Then you click create account for my personal use. Click my personal use and click next. Go ahead and fill in your name. The first name is okay, second name is optional, but I advise you should fill in a second name. It's time for your date of birth. Put in your date of birth. Put in your date of birth. Then select gender, male or female. Select and then click next. Select and then click next. This is the formula you're going to choose. How it should appear. You choose the formula you like or you can create. For me, I will choose the existing formula and then click next. Very important, your password is very important. This formula, you can take this formula where you put in a capital letter, a small letter, a lowercase or a uppercase, hashtag, or this is a strong password. This format is strong. So I advise you create a password that you can remember, or you store it up somewhere in Google Drive, or you take a screenshot of your password to remember next time. Then you click save. Here is where you are going to put in your username. Username is very important. So type in your username and click save. So now put in your phone number. Put in your phone number. Put in your phone number and click next. Yeah, put in your phone number and click next. Click next. Okay, so now you're going to swipe down and agree to Google privacy. You're going to swipe down and agree to Google privacy, and that is done. That is done. The account is created. A Google account is created. Take note of your password and make sure you save it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up to this point in time. If you're new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment and tell me what you want to learn next time. Please check out this video on how to create a Facebook account. Check out this video guys, it's very important. Thank you so much. See you in this video here.